Okay. Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm at Burlington. I am looking at good new pieces in the store. If you're interested, keep watching. Welcome to my channel where quality is attainable. Let's quickly get started. Okay, I'm looking at this cape. Coat with this for trim, which makes it it looks really cool. All right, and it's nicely made for 19.99. Yeah, and this is one size fits all. Yeah. Okay. All right, here I have the sweater by Guess for 24.99 in size extra large. And here you are likely to see more of extra large and size large. Okay, this is our sweater. Sorry about the noise. The store today is a little bit busy. Okay, this is good sweater by Tommy Ford. And here we are looking at another cape coat. Alright, this looks like zebra print. Yeah, look at it. We are doing cape coat this season, so don't sleep on it. If you see a very good one in the store, grab it. This one is $39.99. Interesting. And here we have this one. I love the color combo, which is good with turtleneck. This is by okay. This one is $16.99. Hand tag. Let me see who made this. This is it. This is new to me. Okay, and here we have this false leather top with 3/4 sleeves. Okay, and this is in size medium. I love the color. All right, store price for this is $16.99. And yes, another turtleneck. I love this color. This is by CK with buttons on the sleeves. And this is in size large. If you like my type of video, please consider sharing this video. All right, there is love in sharing. I noticed some of you shared my video. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Let's, push this channel to, let's push it forward. Thank you so much. To this particular turtleneck, this is by Tommy. I love this. It looks so good. All right, the color combo, of course, is giving Tommy. And this was $69.50, and today you get it for $24.99. And here we have this sweater. I'm on a hunt for a button-down sweater, very fitted, something that can give that hourglass shape. If I say it, I wouldn't mind. This is likely to cinch your waist, but we're not really flay out down here. With this zip closure, this is $16.99 in size extra large. Okay. All right, here we have these straps, black and white turtleneck. This is actually a two-piece set. Okay, let me grab the down one. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay. This is priced together for $34.99. Okay, and here we are looking at the sweater with this floral print at the front for $16.99 in size extra large. All right, I will take you to jewelry sections. I noticed they have something new there. Gifts are beginning to come out. All right, so watch out for that. Go to any Burlington near you. You are likely to start seeing good gifts in the store. Look at this. All right, this is button down, and this can flare out at the bottom. This will be very good. This one is $12.99 in size extra large. Here we have this sweater. This looks good. The quality looks good for $12.99. Okay, let me take you to jewelry section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, so what we are talking about. See here, they have lots of watches. So these got lots of different types of animal prints for just $19.99. Three watches, you can't beat that. And here we have this one by BB. Okay, this came with two straps for $19.99. Here we have this one, snake print by Tahari. And more watches, this is by BB. Okay, this is $19.99. Most of them are $19.99. And another print. Oh, okay, look at that. Yeah, if you are looking for that trend, all right, don't stay out of trend if you don't want to come to Burlington. For $21.99, they have different types of watches. This one is by Ellen Tracy. I love the, oh my God, I am identical queen. I love this one actually. All right, this is $19.99. Should I go for this? I love this. I love how dainty it is actually. Okay, I love very plain watches. I like it very plain, not with lots of, I don't like studs, all this bling bling thing. I don't really like it. Okay, this one is $21.99. And more watches. Look at this. This one is by Polio. Beverly Hills Polio Club. Those came with these should be bracelets and necklace, earrings as well. Okay, and this one is for the price is $22.99, not bad. And this 3-in-1 for $19.99, not bad. And yeah, okay. Look at this one. I love something like this. Ellen Tracy. Yeah, very ladylike for $19.99. And yeah. This one is silver. Okay. And this is just $22.99. Good. More jewelries. Okay. And these bracelets, necklaces, earrings, good studs. Okay, different colors, gold, silver, as well. And here we have this one with this light. Okay. All right, this is $12.99. And they have lots of bracelets by Juicy Couture in gold. And this one is $8.99. Lots of them, yeah. And they also have earrings. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good. And they also have, yeah, thank you. They have also jewelry, earrings, Juicy Couture at for $7.99. And they have beads. Look at that. All right, for $9.99. Different types. This is a perfect, I would say this is, perfect time for gifts. Yeah, like from now up to, let's say, first week of December, you will see lots of good gifts in the store. All right, so yeah, look at those different types. All right, different types. Okay, behind is more jewelries. They are all out at affordable rate for this one is just $9.99. Okay, look at that by Guess delivered. Alright, they came through today. Okay, let me show you here. Let me show you. Okay, different types of studs, and this is on sale for $9.99. Interesting. Okay. And yeah. Ooh, look at this hoops. Mhm. Yeah, I saw something like this at TJ Maxx. Let's see, the price for this one is just $5.99. You can't beat this. Yeah, you can't. Okay. Here is more jewelry as well. Ooh, look at this. Oh, look at that. This is so cool. So cute. The price, let's check out this. The price of this is $9.99. Not bad. And different types of hoops, earring. Look at this. And here we go. Look at this. 2-in-1. Isn't this cool? You get silver and gold in one for $7.99. I've seen another interesting hoops, but one is out. Look. Yeah, one is out. How are they gonna sell this? This is $6.99. And I believe there should be a discount on that one. And here we have this, bracelets for $4.99, 2-in-1, not bad. And here we have these rings. Ooh, this looks good. Forever 21. Let's see size. Is this rings? Yeah, actually they are for $4.99. I wish I would see what I would like here. I wouldn't mind. I like the first one. Second one, not really. I don't really like bling blings. Okay. Second one, not. Third one, not really. A lot is happening there. I like the fourth, you know, fourth and fifth one. Okay. And let's see. Wish I can see something better. I love rings. Okay. This is in size 7, 9, and actually size 8. Should I go for this? No. I'll end up using just two here. That's the problem. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let's look at this one. I'm looking at animal prints, dangling earrings. Okay. Long hoops. Oh my god, what is flying on me? Okay, look at this. This is so cool. This is so cool. For $4.99. Not bad. Okay. Yeah. And here we have this with very bold pendant for $7.99. Alright, I'll end this video. If you made it to this point, consider subscribing, share. And until next time, bye for now.